Welcome to another video of Python programming, and this is just an exciting unit where we will be just discussing about Python operators. Okay, so what are operators? Operators are symbols that perform specific operations like calculations, comparisons, logical tests, or just many other things. Okay, so operators are just simply symbols that represent some operations. And we have gotten just many types of operators that we will be just discussing in this video and in the next video, okay? Because just simply I don't want this video to be very lengthy, okay? So the first type of operators that we are just going to study is arithmetic operators, okay? Arithmetic operators just simply they are operators, or they are symbols that represent arithmetic operations, okay? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay? So these are just the one you just simply know them, okay? So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the standard division you already just know, okay? These three are the operators that might be just kind of new for people who are coming from the math background directly to the Python programming, okay? So here the first one, okay, that is just integer division. It means just simply it will divide the number, but it will just not divide to the decimal places, okay? So that is very important. Then the second one, this percentage symbol, which is just known as modulus or remainder in computer science, okay? It represents the operation of remainder. So if you just divide the numbers together, what will be the remainder, okay? And the next one, yeah, two multiplications, we can say that is for exponent, okay? So simple right now, you can just do perform these operations directly inside outputs. You can just store them different places, okay? For example, you can just simply write here that, yeah, print, and here I'll just write that 67 divided by 6, okay? Or just integer division, okay? Just let's do another one, okay? Print 67 integer division 6, okay? Or print 67 modulus 6, okay? It means just divide 67 by 6. What will be the remainder, okay? Just that will give you the remainder, okay? Or print, for example, we can just say that 5 to the power of 2, okay? So we can just do them, okay? No need to just put spaces there, but simply I just do that to make the program more readable. And I just simply run this. Simply here you can just have 67 divided by 6. That will be just 11.16666, okay? Which is just a standard division. But in the second one, as you can see, that is just integer division. Here in the result, we have just gotten the whole number section or the integer section, and the decimal points are just not taken. Then 67 modulus 6, that is remainder, okay? So 66 divided by 6, that will be just complete, and the remainder 67 divided by 6, we will have just 1 as remainder, okay? And 5 to the power of 2, that is 25. So we can just simply write them directly inside the print, or we can just do another thing, okay? For example, I just say a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 9, okay, for example. And after that, sum is equal to a plus b, okay? You can just write it here. Or for example, sub is equal to a minus b, or div is equal to a divided by b, okay? Then product or just mult, okay, is equal to a to the a multiplied by b, okay? Then we have gotten just the rest of the things, okay? Int div is equal to a integer division b, okay? And modulus, okay, is equal to a modulus b, okay? And the xp, okay, is equal to a to the power of b, okay? So you can just simply do those things, or you can just combine them, okay? For example, here I'll just have eq is equal to a plus b multiplied by c, okay? Or multiplied by, for example, 5. you can just follow the same order of operations, okay? Because in Python as well, the same order of operations which are just applied in math is applied here, okay? So you can just simply do that, and after that, yeah, you can just print any one of them, okay? So print mode, or just yeah, print sum, or print sub, okay? Print sub, they are just name of the variables, okay? Print div, okay, or divide, okay? Print product, okay, or prod, then print int div, okay? Print mode, okay, modulus, and print, for example, exponent exp, okay? So that can be exp, and also print eq, or equation, okay? So just they are names of the variables, and if I just run this, I'll just simply have their answers, okay? Just different answers will be there, okay? So the addition is 16, then subtraction, after that division, okay? Multiplication, then remainder, okay? Between these two numbers, we cannot have remainder, okay? So that is kind of all about arithmetic operators. I hope just you have understood that. And the next operators that we are just going to discuss about is assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators are just simply used to put a value inside a variable. Okay, so assignment operators update data values stored inside variables. Okay, so very simple. When we are just writing a is equal to, for example, 9, that is just an assignment operator, and we are just putting the value 9 or inside the variable a. Okay, we are just doing that. So this is assignment operator. This one equal sign in programming, that is just known as assignment operator. Then Python also supports quick compound shorthand combinations like plus, equal, minus, equal, and for each one of those arithmetic operators, we have just gotten these compound shorthand combinations. Okay, and what they do when we want to perform an operation on a variable, and after that we want to store it inside the same variable. For example, a is equal to a plus 9. Okay, so I'm just performing an operation on the variable, and I'm just storing it inside the same variable. Okay, so I can just write it like this, or I can just write it a plus equal 9. Okay, so these both just kind of perform the same task. Okay, they perform the same task. Or for example, if you just want to do a is equal to a minus 8, for example. Okay, so instead of this one, yeah, you can again write a minus equal 8. Okay, so these both will just perform the same task again. Okay, so they are just shorthand operations, and we do have them for all of them. For example, I just want to write a is equal to a to the power of 3. Okay, a is equal to a to the power of 3. So I can just do what? I can just simply write there a double asterisks equal, which is just power equal 4. Okay, so again this will just perform the same thing. A will be just taken to the power of 4, and the result of that will be stored back inside a. Okay, so we can just perform tasks like that. So let's put some prints after each one of them. Okay, so print a plus equal 9. Okay, comma, that will just kind of a here. Okay, and whatever value we just have there, again it will change. Okay, so I'll not print the rest of them right now, just only just that one, so you can see the result, and you can just know that yeah, it is working quite well. See, so a is 9, and another 9 is added to that here. Okay, a plus equal 9, it means just add 9 to a and just store it inside the same thing, and after that, yeah, we printed that, which is just 18. Okay, value of a is 18. Yeah, I can just simply put a comma, an equal sign there, okay, to just make it look better. Okay, otherwise just that is completely all right. So see, a plus equal 9 is equal to 18. So we can just perform the same thing with all the other shorthand operations. That's it. If you have just gotten any kind of questions, we are just quite excited to respond to your questions. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Wish you all the best. Good luck and goodbye.